चलिए गाइज, अब हम देखते हैं सेकंड कंपाउंड ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ एस ब्लॉक. वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एस ब्लॉक. तो अब पहले हमने एक डिस्कस किया है सोडियम कार्बोनेट. अब हम देखते हैं सेकंड कंपाउंड जो है लिथियम का, लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड. ओके, सो इट्स सेकंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड. लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम hydride. Okay, lithium aluminum hydride. What is the formula for it? LiAlH4. Lithium aluminum hydride. It's a compound of lithium. Now, this lithium aluminum hydride, it is commonly abbreviated as LAH. It is a short form actually. L for lithium, A for aluminum, H for hydride. lithium aluminum hydride. ठीक है, तो ये कॉमनली हम एब्रिवेट करते हैं LAH से. ठीक है, नाउ इट्स हैविंग formula. What is the chemical formula? Its chemical formula is LiAlH4. Okay, so remember these 2 points first. Lithium aluminum hydride is a compound of lithium, aluminum and hydrogen. Actually it is compound of lithium, so we are taking here lithium aluminum hydride. It is commonly abbreviated as LAH, lithium aluminum hydride. Short form of it is LAH. And what is its chemical formula? LiAlH4. ठीक है, now we'll see the preparation, how it is prepared. Now preparation of lithium aluminum hydride, how it is prepared? Very simple reaction by which it is prepared. We'll see preparation, properties and uses. Okay, so we have seen what is LAH, what is LiAlH4. LiAlH4 is lithium aluminum hydride, and how it is commonly abbreviated LAH, its short form. And what is the chemical formula? LiAlH4. Okay, now we'll see the preparation for LiAlH4. Preparation of, we'll see first preparation of, I'll write here LAH means lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. I'll write here first the reaction. Now what is the reaction? Lithium hydride is treated, or lithium, यहाँ पे lithium hydride को treat करते हैं हम, lithium hydride को treat करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ LiH plus AlCl3 aluminum chloride. Okay, so lithium hydride and aluminum chloride, they react with each other to form LiAlH4. This LiAlH4 is called what? Lithium aluminum hydride. अब देखो यहाँ पे Al 1 मोल है, Cl 3 मोल्स, तो 3 मोल्स Cl बचे हैं, राइट. तो 3LiCl मैं लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे 3Li plus 1Li, that is 4Li. 3Li plus 1Li, 4Li, 4H. Okay, aluminum 1 mole. So how this lithium aluminum hydride is prepared? It is prepared by the reaction between lithium hydride and aluminum chloride. Lithium aluminum hydride हम prepare कर सकते हैं by the reaction between lithium hydride and aluminum chloride. Very simple reaction. You can note down this reaction. Okay, so after that we will see the properties of lithium aluminum hydride. You can take the names of this. This is lithium hydride. It is aluminum chloride. Okay, you can write the name aluminum chloride. Then this is lithium aluminum hydride, you know, and this is lithium chloride. side product. Okay, so lithium aluminum hydride, how it is prepared? Lithium hydride reacts with aluminum chloride to give, you can write shortly LAH, lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so this is the reaction to prepare lithium aluminum hydride by the reaction between lithium hydride and aluminum chloride. Very simple. Okay, now let's see the properties of lithium aluminum hydride. What are the properties of lithium aluminum hydride, friends? Only two properties you have to remember here. They are very simple. Okay, so what is its physical state and what is the color of it? So that you have to remember. Properties of lithium aluminum hydride. अब इसके प्रॉपर्टीज कौन सी है? देखो दोस्तों, lithium aluminum hydride is a colorless solid, first property, and it reacts violently with water as well as even atmospheric moisture. Okay, so it is not kept open because it reacts violently with water as well as it is reacting violently with even atmospheric moisture. So these are the two properties you must remember. First property, it is colorless solid. First property. Second property, it reacts violently with water. Okay, with water and even atmospheric moisture. So these two properties you must remember as far as LAH, that is lithium aluminum hydride, is concerned. Okay, hence it is not kept open in air because it can absorb moisture and react violently with it, or also it reacts violently with water. It's a colorless solid. These are the two properties you must remember. Okay, now let's see the chemical properties. Okay, so it is acting as a reducing agent, friends. These are the physical properties of LAH. Now we'll see the chemical properties, and you can say uses of lithium aluminum hydride. How it is used? It is used as a reducing agent. First uses of LAH, that is lithium aluminum hydride. How it is used? First use, it is used to prepare alcohols, or it is used as a reducing agent. Okay, it is used as a reducing agent. Reducing agent as a reducing agent हम इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखो, समझो मेरे पास है ईस्टर, RC double bond OR dash is the functional group of ester. If ester react with, or you can directly write down this arrow, LAH and dry ether. Suppose esters are reduced using lithium aluminum hydride and dry ether, they are converted into RCH2OH plus R-OH. So two types of alcohols you will get. Okay, here lithium aluminum hydride is acting as a reducing agent. So it is a use of lithium aluminum hydride. You can use lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, and you can reduce any compound. Example, ester can be reduced. देखो यहाँ पे रिडक्शन हो गया, ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो गया, RCH2, यहाँ पे कार्बन पे हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो गए, और यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड हो गया, ऑक्सीजन का हाइड्रोक्साइड टोटल RCH2OH और R-OH. So there is a cleavage of this ester takes place and we get two types of alcohols. Also it can reduce carboxylic acid also. So RC double bond OOH, this is carboxylic acid. If you reduce this carboxylic acid by LAH in the presence of dry ether, you get RCH2OH, means in this case also you will get alcohol. So whether it is a ester or carboxylic acid, lithium aluminum hydride reduces both esters and carboxylic acids into alcohols. This is the first use. It is used as a reducing agent as it is a source of hydride. Source of hydride. Hydride means H minus. Okay, so it donates or you give up H minus and it reduces the compounds, carbonyl compounds, especially esters and carboxylic acid. आपको ये रिएक्शन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में है, आप एस्टर्स का भी रिडक्शन कर सकते हैं और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स का भी रिडक्शन कर सकते हैं और हमें मिलते हैं अल्कोहल्स. ओके, so this use you must remember. This is interesting use of lithium aluminum hydride. You can convert esters or carboxylic acids into directly alcohols. Okay, in the case of esters you will get two types of alcohols. In the case of carboxylic acid only one type of alcohol. This is the first use. Second use I am writing here. It is used in the production of phosphine. In the preparation of phosphine. Phosphine ये phosphorus का compound है PH3 is the formula for phosphine. How phosphine is prepared? It is used in the preparation of phosphine. Now second use of LAH. It is used in the preparation of phosphine. What is the formula for phosphine? PH3. Okay, how it is prepared? It is prepared by the reaction between, now see here, reaction PCl3 plus LiAlH4. 4PCl3, 3LiAlH4. It gives us PH3 plus LiCl plus AlCl3. Now balance the reaction. How many aluminum are there? On the left side there are 3 aluminum, so you have to multiply here by 3. Okay, how many phosphorus are there? 4. Okay, hydrogen, look at the hydrogen, 3 into 4 12, 4 into 3 12 hydrogens are there. Now lithium remain 3 Li, so you have to remain, यहाँ पे multiply करना पड़ेगा. You have to multiply this by 3. Now look at the chlorine, 4 into 3 12, 3 plus 9 12. So in this way you can prepare phosphine by reaction between phosphorus trichloride and lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so it is used in the preparation of phosphine also. So these are the preparation properties and uses of lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, hope you understood this preparation properties and uses of it. Okay, so this compound lithium aluminum hydride is also very important compound, friends, because it is used in organic synthesis. It is used as an organic reagent also. It's a complex compound and it's very useful in organic synthesis. Okay, so in this way we have studied the preparation of lithium aluminum hydride, then its properties, physical as well as chemical, and uses of this lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.